Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to print just a single photo or file from Adobe Photoshop Elements. So if you have a bunch of files open, let's say we got a whole row of files across here in our open tabs, and we want to print just this one. When we go to File and Print, what normally happens is it selects all of them, and you have to go through and remove them. Of course, you could select multiple ones and remove them, and then just make sure you don't remove the one you want to print, and then you could print. So an easier way to get around that is to go to your photo bin down here at the bottom. So you're usually on the tool options by default. So if you click on photo bin, then you'll see all your photos lined up here, and you can just click on the one you want. Now when you go to File and Print, you can see it's just this one picture here. And if you want to select more than one, you could choose them out of your photo bin and go to File and Print. And then you'll just have the ones that you selected. And then of course you could go through and change all your options for your printer and paper size and cropping and all that other good stuff. And then even if you go back to your tool options here and you go to File and Print, they will still be selected. So if you want to change that, you'd have to come back to your photo bin, select some other ones, or just click off into a gray area here, then that'll deselect them. And then when you go back to File and Print, you'll have everything again. All right, so once again, just go to Photo Bin, pick the ones you want to print, and then that's all you need to do. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.